Hello, in today's video I'm going to talk a little bit about why printable journal pages are amazing. This is what I make and I sell in my Etsy shop, and as you know, if you're a follower of this channel, I am really into journaling, and I think that doing printable journal pages is it's got so many different benefits. Like, a lot of people, when they think of journaling, they think of just grabbing a blank spiral notebook or something and just writing in it, or taking journal prompts and just answering them. But there's so much more than that. There's so many different kinds of journals that you can buy, and it's a really big world. There's a lot of stuff to discover. So I just wanted to go over, me personally, how I use journals. So if you've ever been to my Etsy shop, you'll see that I've got a lot, like dozens of different kinds of journals for anything you can think of. Like, I have gratitude journals, which I think are one of the most important types of journals that you can do. I'll end it there. But what I wanted to really make this video about was why the printable ones are so amazing. So if you're on a budget, printable journals is the way to go. So the majority of my printable journals are under $9. And so you can print them off and you can keep them on your computer, the original file on your computer, and then you can keep going back to it whenever you need a new one and just print another one again. So you're really only spending the money one time. And also, I don't know about you, but I have bought so many journals where I didn't even use a lot of the pages because they didn't apply to me. So when you use printable journals, you can print just the pages that you want. So you're not wasting ink, you're not wasting money, you're not wasting paper. So, and one of the things that I wanted to talk about in this video was the different ways that you can use journals. So this is just one example that I just happen to have right here. This is my food journal. So this is where I keep track of the things that I ate, how I felt, the symptoms. And so what I did was printed off a bunch of these. I just got a ton of these, and I've been using these for like the last month. And I just put them on a clipboard. Like, how cool is this? Like, you can print off exactly what you want and just put it on a clipboard, and they're all there so that, you can just lay this wherever. They're not going to get lost. And if you wanted to, you could also take these printable sheets and put them on your refrigerator, like with a magnet. And that way, whatever ones you use every day, there they are. They're right on your refrigerator, nice and handy. So another way that you can use these printables is to put them in a binder. So everybody's got binders, right? And if you don't, oh my gosh, they're so cheap. They're like $1 at the dollar store. Or you can buy some kind of nice ones. I actually got this at Goodwill. Look at that. This was $1.99 at Goodwill. And this is a nice hardcover binder that this is my business binder. So you can print off and put tabs on stuff to organize them. And so yeah, I'm just going to show you, like, this back half are just printables that I've sold, that I sell in my Etsy shop, that I just decided to put in here to store them in here. So I have all sorts of different kinds of planner pages, journal pages, and things like that. And then the front of this is my business stuff. So you can make a journal that's just what you want in it. You can put whatever. That's the beauty of these things. You can put them in a binder, open this up, and take out whatever you've already used, whatever you don't want, and put new pages in. And it's like a custom binder of just all of the journal pages, planner pages, checklists, whatever you use on a daily basis in here. I just think it's amazing. So that's what I just wanted to talk about in this video, was how amazing printable planner pages are. And I'm going to leave a link down in the comments, or down in the description, I should say, to my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in gratitude journals, brain dump journals, like I said, I can't even think of them all because I've got like 90 products in there almost. So go check that out if you're interested in saving a lot of money on your planners, journals, and things like that. Because like I said, printing is the way to go if you're trying to save money. You're really spending dollars. Some of my printables are only $2. and you can print them off as much as you want, and you can make your own custom binder. It's just great. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like if you get any benefit out of this. If you know anybody that loves journaling or planners or printable things, send this video their way, and be sure to subscribe because I talk about journals, everything journals. Journals. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.